Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am creating 3 quick projects with the Happy Hooray bundle from Polka Dot Mailbox. I'm first starting off with a loaded envelope. I'm using my 1-2-3 punch board, and it's really very simple. You just punch and score according to the measurements along the side grid. There are a number of different sizes of envelopes that you can create. This is the largest, and it folds out to 7 by 7, which ends up being perfect to be able to fit a 6 by 6 paper pad into, which is why I chose this design. Now, the idea with this Happy Mail that I'm creating is I wanted to send something that could ship as letter mail, because shipping is so expensive, and anytime you get into a package, you're looking at like $15 to $20 to where I was sending this. So I thought, if I can keep it as letter mail, then I will be able to send off a nice gift and have a cute little package. So that was my goal, to experiment with sending off an envelope like this. This is within Canada. I used the Puffy stickers here to have some balloons and just drawing in some strings for them to attach to the page, and I really like the way that turned out. Again, keeping it very simple. I didn't want to have too much weight or height to the embellishments. I'm tucking in the Hustle and Heart bundle from Amy Tangerine. Comes with that 6 by 6 paper pad, a beautiful set of a beautiful set of stickers that would be great for planners. And the person I'm sending this to both does planning and scrapbooking, as well as it has those cute inflatable ephemera and some little geo tags that would also be good for scrapbooking or planning. And this kit comes with, the Happy Hooray kit comes with so many fantastic sentiments. So here I'm using the branding strip that says Happy Birthday, and I just cut a simple patterned paper. I cut it long enough to make a little inch border around the bottom. I put it up on some foam backing, added one of the little buttons with a little bit of twine, and you have a quick instant card, and it matches the little loaded envelope that I've made for her as well. So I'm just going to glue that in place. At first I thought I might leave the strings out, but then I decided to hide them. So instead of cutting them off, I just tucked them under, and it added a little bit of depth as well. I have a stamp that I had customized that says created by Tony. So anytime I make a card, I can stamp on the back very simply. So there it is, a really quick, simple card that matches the envelope. And now I'm going to create a third item, and it is one of the folios that I was inspired by Serena B Creative, and it is a 6 by 12 piece of paper. It is scored at 2, and now I'm scoring at 3, 6, and 9. So lengthwise scored at 2, or even just 2 1/4. And then you simply just fold it into place the way that the lines have been scored, and then you glue just the very edges. I use a glue gun. You could use any sort of strong adhesive that would keep it in place. And then I'm going to put a really simple design on the cover as well, and that's going to be one of the little cut-aparts there. I'm going to back that onto some of the patterned paper that comes in this bundle and create a little framed edge for the party time. I'm going to play around with some of the ephemera and find something that is suitable. But I decide instead to try the idea with the Puffy stickers again with the balloons, because I really like the way that turned out. So I go ahead and I adhere a few balloons, I attach them to ground them with some string, and I've got my cover done. I'm going to come in with the 40 to denote the age and put that on. I fiddled back and forth with it. I can't really decide if I should put it at the top or on the side there, but the ribbon's going to go across the side, so I end up putting it to the top and attaching it up there. And the idea that I'm going to do on the inside is I'm going to add gift cards. Since the recipient is turning 40, I'm going to go ahead and put 4 $10 gift cards inside. So I come across with that happy birthday to you, and again it was one of the branding strips cut off the bottom. I absolutely love those branding strips. They're amazing. They say happy birthday repetitively. They seem to be so well spaced out. Every time I try to put them on a card or a layout or a project, they're the exact size that I seem to need. And then I'm just taking some few die cuts from the kit and putting them on, and it ends up being like a really cute little decoration for each of the pockets. So each pocket will have a different $10 coffee themed gift card, so they can enjoy coffee. So $40 worth of gift cards for their 40th year. This was some of the ribbon that I received again at that thrifty haul that I did, and it is the perfect color. It matches that sentiment that's happy birthday to you along the bottom there. So I'm just going to glue that in place, and you can put something over top of this or you can leave it the way that it is. It certainly looks fine just the way that it is, and I experimented with a number of different die cuts, and I decided to just come in with the little scalloped edge that says yay, yay, yay. And then again, I'm going to stamp created by Tony at the bottom. And it's as simple as that. So just tie a bow on the front, and I'm leaving the bow, like the ribbon, a little bit longer so that I can cut it for the final time so that it matches exactly with the gift cards and everything inside, that I have it the exact length that I would like it to be. So I thank you so much for watching. I welcome all the new subscribers. If you haven't already subscribed and you enjoy my videos, I welcome you to hit the notification bell and be notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.